On the grind, no sleep, endless mission. Crypto waves, no tide, just decisions. Ride or die with the block's ambition. Let's make this money, profits rain like monsoon. Bull or bear, we adapt, typhoon. Wallets packed, no room, full bloom. Path to riches, straight shot, no detour too soon. Trading is only as difficult as you make it. Rise, fall, rise again, never fake it. Cold wallets, private keys, gotta break it. Crypto life on the edge, let's shake it.
Hey guys, let's shake it. Trading is only as hard as you make it. It really is. Here we go in 3, 2, and a bingo bango.
I'm in the charts all day. My goal is to make you money. I provide the information required to know exactly when to enter. I don't give this blanket statement, buy the breakout, buy the retest. Join me every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to understand the who, what, where, when, and especially the why when it comes to trading. This is why Coin's dumping. Every 7 days, it's releasing tokens.
Mic test 1 2. Mic checking the mic. Mic is good. All right, so here we go, guys. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. 1, 1. Here we go. Bingo bango. What's going on, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. Woo-wee. It's time to make this money. It really is. It is time to make this money. Wow. Hopefully you're making money. If you're not, don't worry, you will. This is one thing. There's a lot of emotions: jealousy, envy, greed, anger, depression. There's all these emotions that come when it comes to trading. And then let's say you're sitting on your hands, you don't have your alerts or anything, and you're waiting for the market to change. Well, you need a plan for this stuff. And so what I'm doing is I'm showing you how to capitalize on all the ups and the downs, because believe me, we're going to be having some downs. I've been letting the community know, the VIP group, that we're going to see 20 to 30% on average, about 20 to 30%, but 25, 33, but on average 20 to 30% pullbacks. And because of this, it's only going to pull back. That's what, it's not a dump. It's not a bear market. It's a pullback. So you have a pullback, then it goes and it starts going up. Excuse me. And right now we're seeing that bounce. Now, of course, yesterday we did post, I think, only 2 charts in our group because it was kind of risky still, but it was possibly looking better. Right now they're doing really well. Really well. And then, of course, today, look at this. Peanut is up. Now we're actually watching Peanut. If you want to, for me to chart this one, of course I can do that as well. But we're actually watching this one. It had a massive pump because it got listed on Coinbase. Now I do want to say something really quick. I have a group, and of course this is a paid group, and this is the information right here. This is like, I don't nickel and dime you for stuff. If we have a spot trade and a leverage trading group, and it's one price. I just added a way to capitalize on these type of movements. I put that in the group, didn't do an extra charge or anything like that. It's a lot of work. I mean, I already was with a lot of work, but now it's, I don't know, 5 extra more times of work. I don't even know how I'm squeezing these hours that I'm putting in, but this right here is what's going to make us money. And I had that in the group, free. Well, not free, but I mean, it's part of the group. And I actually posted I like watching other YouTubers. And here's a multi-millionaire. I have $14 in the bank. Y'all know that. Maybe a little bit more. But multi-millionaire. He just added another portion to his group, and it's only $300 a one-time fee. That's it. He's already a not a millionaire, not a multi-millionaire, not somebody with maybe 500,000 or whatever. No, he's a multi-millionaire. And he added a section to his group for $300 one-time fee. One-time fee, that's it. For me, I'm constantly building to our VIP group, constantly making it the absolute best it can possibly be. I'm putting in a lot of work so everybody, all the members can make a lot of money. And this new addition to the group is going to be capitalizing on this. We just opened the group a few days ago, 2 days ago, I think. And right now I'm working out all the bugs. I'm trying to streamline it. And pretty soon, this is going to be like a no-brainer. Just that one little group is going to make us a lot of money. A lot of money. How much should I charge extra? I'm not here. So here's the thing. Everybody else wants your memberships. They want your... I am offering this to you. If you want this, great. Do it. Stop messing around. If you just want to get the information from YouTube, that's fine. It's free. And I give you everything. I give you everything. But here it's $7.99, 12 months. You get 1 month for free. This is what I do. And of course, if you want to do the lifetime membership, it's one payment, $19.99. It's Black Friday. This is the only Black Friday sale that I have still going right now. And it's the best value. You're going to be with me for at least 2 seasons. And I'm just improving and improving and improving. And I want to get rich with you, not because of you. Unlike these multi-millionaires, whenever they add a group, it's an extra $300 for you. Even though I'm, eating in these best restaurants, my forks are shielded, and I have these waiters and these waitresses bringing me all my food and everything. They want an extra $300 from you per person to join that extra group. They nickel and how much is enough? That's my question. Multi-millionaire, how much is enough? I just want people to be happy. I want people to be able to go to the grocery store and not have to look at their bank account and they get food. I want to help people whether it's a single mom, single dad, parents, whatever. I want to help the families. The little kid wants to get a toy instead of having to, I don't know if I can afford it, or I'm waiting for this maybe bonus. I want you to be, you want that one? Okay, get that color and that color. That's where I want you to be. Now, do I charge all these nickel and dimes for every little service? Nope, sure don't. Sure don't. Again, my goal is to get rich with you, not because of you. And it gets me so mad about these multimillionaires who have these people who don't know how to trade, and they're doing a call out and another call out and then changing their idea like literally 2 minutes later because they're on the 1 minute time frame. It's ridiculous. Petra says, Bitcoin is breaking character and going up. Please analyze ETH and Sol. Yes, I wrote those down. Crypto Candy says, let's go. Let's go. Dynamite's in the house. What's up, Dynamite? Doing good, Dylan. Doing good. Making money. Money is always great. Got into some trades. Matter of fact, we'll show that later. But remember that SUI trade that I did yesterday? Where it was a very kind of higher risk because I was doing higher leverage with the tighter stop loss. Well, that one played out and doing pretty good on that one. We'll kind of get update on that. See here, Crypto Kenny says, so happy to be in the group. It's growing rapidly. Come join us and make it home. Yeah. So right now it's growing, and this is a family that we have here. My idea, my goal for a successful business is not just to get people and trick people and do all these fancy, shiny new object type thing and trick people to come in and then they leave. And I try to trick more people when they come in and they leave. My goal is to have retention, retain people, because that's where you learn. That's where you gain the most value, because now as I'm learning, you're learning. And it's all about a learning process. That's really what it is. So with the increasing knowledge that you're getting every single, week, month, year, like you're going to want to stay in the group. I'm not going to be, here's another group. And like I said, this one right here, this group that we have is going to absolutely kill it. It's a lot of work that I'm doing. Streamlining it though. So we're going to see. Let's see here. What is your opinion on Alex O Crypto? Love the dude. Dude is spot on. Dude is fire. Dude is, the first time I actually saw him trade, he lost. He didn't make excuses. He didn't look for reasons. He just straight up said, hey, we win some, we lose some. This was a good setup because of X, Y, and Z. And I let him know, it's like, man, you got my respect. So I love the dude. Dude is really smart, very young, very smart, has a great group. I'm actually in his group. I recommend everybody, like, join more groups. Like, there's Alex O Crypto's group. It's a Discord. There's Piper Academy group. It's a Discord. And then, of course, there's my group. It's a Telegram. I love Telegram. Discord, I don't like it. Maybe I'm just too old for it. I don't know. I just don't like it. But Alex O Crypto, I mean, I support him 100%. Yeah. Duality Crypto says, hello. Jeffrey, what's going on, man? Here. Thanks, Joe, for not bamboozling us and not charging extra for everything else. You over-deliver, hands down. Yeah. So that's my thing. And I've learned that from when I was young. Always under promise, over deliver. And that's what people are seeing in this group. Like, join the group, guys. That's all I gotta say. Join the group. You'll see what I mean. It's not a sell. It's me offering it to you. If you want it, there it is. If you don't, I don't know why you wouldn't. Maybe you don't have money. Okay, here you go. Live stream for free. Let's see here. Crypto bubbles. Peanut, 31%. Ooh. Speaking about peanuts. Let's see here. Peanuts. Oh, I don't even have it on my thing. We might just join that one. But we have Bitcoin coming up. And this is what we do, guys. This is what we do. We're just waiting to see what happens. That's all we're doing. We're waiting to see what happens. Here it broke this level. Here it broke this level. Then it came down. And now what we're thinking is, okay, we're probably going to get a wick. Wick happened. Came over here. Started doing looking great, but we need 3 to 5 candles. Guys, do me a favor. Watch my videos. I'm putting out more videos. And smash the like. Leave a comment or two. I really want these videos getting out. I would really like to spend more time, making you money than trying to make videos and edit videos, which take forever. 3 to 4 hours to edit a video to get 13 views. 1 comment that's a scammer. I would rather spend my time teaching you, showing you, doing YouTube videos for you, not the videos, but live streams for you. And when I do post a video, please help me, guys. Like, that's the only way I can get the word out. So here we go. So started breaking down 3 to 5 candles we need to close. This was the 3rd one. Started coming down, broke below this, not looking good. Then this happened, not looking good. Then this one, the dump. And then I ended up selling a bunch of my positions. Was it here? No, it was here. It was yesterday. I sold it here because you don't know, it could continue coming down. Sold a bunch of positions and I didn't want to get liquidated. It would have been a lot of money. And then it came down here. So here's like, okay, man, I should have kept it. The woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. I was like, no, I made my decision based off of the information I had at that moment, because it could have easily, look at how far this one came down. It could have easily wiped out everything on that account, I guess, or that portion that I have on the futures. And then it came up, came down, came up. Right now, I would have been so much money instead of losing a lot of money. But once again, based off of the information I had at the time, this was the best choice I could have made. And now I'm entering trades again. So that's the reason I'm sharing that story with you is because in case that happens to you, to where it's like, oh man, I'm losing more than I want. Even though I have a stop loss, should I just cancel the stop loss and let it run, see if maybe it comes all the way down to my liquidation? But then if I get liquidated, well, then there's my money. It's gone completely. I could lose, let's say the trade was $100 and you take off your stop loss and it's going down and now you're losing $50, $60, $70. You're like, cancel the trade. So you lost $70. Now you only have $30, but you have $30 to trade for another day. That's horrible, losing all that money. So please, stop loss. And now, we were saying, we have to wait. We have to wait and see. I really did think that this candle was going to do something like this, or maybe even the next candle to where we have a pump, then a dump, then a dump, then a pump, and then come up. My overall top loss is, of course, coming up. But I really thought we were going to do this. Did it play out? Nope. Now, once this started happening, it's like, all right, well, we need at least 3 to 5 candles before we can go and say, okay, it's a pivot, it's a reverse. Sure enough, we have 1, 2, 3, looking good. Broke out of this zone, even better. Coming over here. So now, do I expect it to go straight up? No way. I mean, it might come up to here before it comes down. So all this is just basically watching for support resistance. That's what it basically is. See here, we got Tano in the house. What's up, Tano? See, K-Man. What's up, Crypto K-Man? Appreciate you, man, for being here. I got Otters in the chat. We got the Otter family. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you so much. See here, Darren John says, hey, King Joe, King Goat. Thank you, guys. Now, one thing with me, I make calls, call outs, and man, they're spot on. Spot on. But does my head get inflated? Do I think I'm the best? Do I start? No. Humility is my best quality. There's so many, and you're going to see that more and more. I told you, I called it. I said this and that. No, whenever I say, I was like, well, I thought it was going to come down here, and it came down perfectly. Could I have been wrong? Yep, sure could have. I mean, it could have gone straight down. Notice what I do. I show you what I thought. I show you that it happened like pretty spot on, but then I also let you know it could have gone the other way. I don't like when all those other people do that. I really don't. Look, I told you guys, it's going to come down here and it went up. Look, I know everything. Okay, well, I wish I knew half of what you know, because then I'd be a multimillionaire just off of trading. But am I good at trading? Yes, of course. I'm not saying I'm not good, but I'm just saying I'm not one of those that I know everything's going to happen, because you can't. We're literally trading against people. It's not a machine to where it's, oh, okay, it only goes 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The next series, logically, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. But we're trading with people who have emotions. So that's all I'll say about that. See, Bullish on Parade says, Joe, yay, I made it live to the stream. I tell you what, my friend, you are in for a treat. So right now we're going to do ETH. We're going to do SOL. If you have any other coins, let me know. There are maybe 2 or 3 spots available. And then after that, that's going to be all for the show. If you do want your coin to be, with the chart and thought process on the chart, super chat. And let me go ahead and put that on here. I forget which one it is. Let me just throw all my stuff on here. So I have that one. Oh, it's this one right here. That one. And I don't know what this says. But I'm putting it in the chat right now. It's a funny animation that plays. So make sure I did it. Yes, funny animation that plays. I just pinned it in the VIP chat. If you want your chart to be done priority, then just send a super chat. We'll do that for you. If not, then that's fine. We have, let's say 3 more spots. We have 3 more spots for coins. And then if there's more than that and you don't want to do super chat, and that's fine, what I'll try to do is I'll try to get yours on. But we only have 1 hour of free mentorship. If we can't make it, if there's one left, and I'm going to hate to do it, I really do, we'll just save that one for the next day. All right, moving on. So let's go ahead and see what chat says. Petra says, a flashy trash gets views. Spot on. Good, genuine content get ignored. Yep. I'm the most humble person in the world. I'm joking. Look at me, guys. Look at me. I'm the most humble. Yeah. And I don't like attention. Look at me. Hey, look at me. Yeah, but I eat humble pie all the time. But I really did. Maybe I need to eat diet humble pie. That humble pie. Yum, yum. All right. Speaking about that, let us let us, okay, I'm gonna eat steak for lunch. My cousin's here. We're gonna go get some steak after this stream. So just kind of give you a heads up. And it's also a celebration for, you know, our wins. Oh, speaking about that. Let's see here. So this one was from yesterday. This was, and we'll go ahead and put it on here. And this is pretty much what I show you how to do. So we entered the trade. We entered it right here. We caught, you know, this was catching the falling knife if it went down. So here's the thing too, guys, like I show you what really happens in trading. All these other people, they don't. And this is what kind of frustrates me too, is because, you know, you see them where they say, look guys, this is a falling knife. If you would have bought here, it kept on coming down. But you don't know it's going to come down in the moment of the trade. After the fact, yeah, heck yeah, you know. But this one right here, it could come down. And I even mentioned this yesterday too, if we enter here, which I did, and it goes up, any other YouTuber, any other influencer, any other person that has something to sell you will say, look guys, I caught the bottom. And if you want to learn how to catch the bottom too, join my group, join my VIP. We do this, blah, blah, blah. And you're like, what? He caught the bottom? I always catch falling knives. I'm going to join his group. It's only catching the bottom and becoming a genius because it went up. If it would have went down, well, guys, you know, we tried it, you know, and we caught a falling knife, and that's what happens. So regardless, they're always right. So we entered here, and this was the safer entry. The alert goes off. Once it crosses this level, you have to make sure that the 1 hour time frame closes above this level. You know, once we get hit, and we had several that closed above it. What do? You enter the trade. If you took this trade based off of yesterday's teaching and setup, this is what you would have right now. You would have about 13% for free. No VIP group, no nothing. Now, all this stuff that I'm showing you here, I show in the VIP, but in shorter videos. So instead of having to watch live streams that are an hour, sometimes 2 hours long, and getting the nuggets that are within the live stream, you join the VIP. These videos are 3, 4, 5 minutes long, on average about 4. Some of them are like 2 minutes, but on average 4. And you learn all this stuff in a very fast pace. There's no fluff. It's amazing. Speaking about amazing, this is when I entered it, just showing you that I did 10x leverage, you know, because I had a tight stop loss. This would have been your stop loss down here, which was down here. Your stop loss was down here. But since I was doing a 10x leverage, I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and put it right here, 10x leverage. This is my gains from yesterday. I show you how to do this, guys. Does this happen all the time? Nope. I'll tell you that right now. No. Now, if I was trying to sell you something, I was like, yes, guys, look at what we do. This is not, now, man, my members are killing it. Absolutely just dominating. Let me pull up one of them. I'll just pull up one, just a random one really quick. So here's one. This is not mine, but here's one from one of my members. Here's another one from one of my members, and these are the most recent posts. Now, do we do this all the time? Some of the members do. You know, I show them how to trade, and they, you know, they do. We have an area for only members to post charts. They post charts. Other members take them. They get some nice gains, and they hold it. Now, of course, for my charts, you know, I'll post them, you know, lower leverage, 2x leverage. Here's 7x and here's a 3x. But you can do whatever you want. It depends on your risk management. And this is what we do. And we show you, the most important thing is to show you how to do this. That's what we do in the group. So, again, I have nothing to sell you, just something to offer. We enter the trade and I show you, and you can make money here too. Matter of fact, let me pull this up because I think this is very important. So coming over here, doing this, let's go profile, I think. On YouTube, 107%, 2 days after we gave the setup. Now on the setups, I always say enter here, enter now, or I give you the plan for the setup with very exact, precise detail. Unlike all these other YouTubers with like, oh yeah, you know, and then they have a super low stop loss or don't even give a stop loss. And then just because they talked about it, they say, oh, look guys, we talked about this the other day and it's up 80%. Yeah, you also talked about 40 other coins on your live stream. Here, these are actual true setups. I'm different by design, guys. My goal is not to get rich off of you. My goal is to make you money. 107, 2 days after. Join the group, learn faster if you want. All right, moving on. Let's see here. Going down the list. We got Joe in the house. What's up, Joe? Appreciate you, man. Dave P, what's up? See here, Joe the Goat. How goes it? It's going good, man. Going good. Gonna be eating some steak today. Celebrate. Technically, I can catch the bottom before buying, canceling, etc. We got jokesters in the house, guys. Oh yeah, I've done that too. I've caught the bottom, and then I've added to the bottom, and then added to the bottom, and then added to the bottom, and it's like, oh man, I don't have any more to add. I add to the bottom, and it's like, let me just sell it. Sell it at a huge loss. That was before. That was woof. That was before. Sometimes I'll do it too, but I'll put with little money. But just to catch that bottom. Sometimes it works. Sometimes I tried that yesterday, the day before. I forget. It looked good, man. It came down, started coming up. I put a very little bit of money in. Very little. Like 3x, maybe 5x leverage. Very little money. Started doing good. And it came down, broke the level. I'm in a loss now. Sold it. Said not waiting. Came down some more, went up. I was like, man, I should have kept it because my stop loss was lower. And then I looked at it a few hours later and it came all the way down. It's like, man, I'm glad I didn't re-enter it, and I'm glad I sold it. So again, it's always the aftermath. Now this one we were also talking about. Oh, this was nothing. This was just when I first entered that trade, but that's nothing. This is another one that we were talking about. This was, again, another call out on YouTube. And this is why it's so important, guys. Tune in every single day. We give you the way to trade. We show you what to do, exactly when to do it. Here, the price was right here. Look at, oh man, I can't even make this stuff up, guys. I can't make this stuff up. Price was right here. This, and I said, if we break this level, I'm sure it was right here. If it breaks this level, you don't want to enter here because we're right underneath resistance. And then more than likely it'll come down before it goes up. And sure enough, look at this. This is why we don't enter right here, because we have a chance of it coming down and then maybe coming up and then coming down some more. We don't know. And then sure enough, it came up, broke out. So here we tested it again, couldn't do it, making higher lows, looking better, broke above this, looking good, came up, came down, came up, came up, came down, came up. You have your alert. This is what you're doing. Boom, you enter the trade. If you would have entered this trade, let's just say you got it, on this candle, this next candle, 15-minute candle needs to close. So you'd be this candle. Let's just say you kind of got it towards the middle-ish, I guess. You'd be up 8%, max of 11. I show you how to trade on this channel. I show you what to look for on this channel. I show you where to put your alerts, the exact entries. The 15-minute candle must close above 1.4190. I give you very detailed information. Not like all these other people who are multimillionaires, who are flashy, and that's what I do. All right. Smash the like. Yes, this from the guys. We're gonna get ready for TARS, and so Can we, I mean, ETH, and so we are now doing TARS on MEXC. Okay, this is going to be the last one, just due to more time has passed. This is going to be the last one. We're doing ETH, SOL, and TARS. And if you do have a coin that you want me to do, the pin message is for a super chat. That's how you get your coin to the very top for priority. But if not, then that's fine. You can just wait for the next day. See here, going down the list. I see, man, I'm running late all day, but I made it. Oh, thank you, CCM. Appreciate you, buddy. Appreciate you. All right, so let's go and get started. This is going to be, it's going to be ETH on, let's see, let's do ETH. Oh, it just pops up. Okay, so let's do ETH, USDT, going to be MEXC. Right now we're looking at this. We have our levels, so let's go ahead and delete everything. Let's just look at this from the beginning, go to the daily time frame, shrink this up a little bit. I do see that we were in this very nice accumulation. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Yes, I said woulda twice. That is the woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda syndrome. Yes, indeed. So going on a weekly time frame, we see that, man, we are so close to all-time highs. It's ridiculous. We do have a few things that we want to watch. ETH, easy 2 to 3x. You know, 3x would not surprise me for ETH. So just to let you know that. I would love to see you do a 5x, but easy 2 to 3, 3 being the no-brainer. Okay, so let me go ahead and just find some levels really quick. So what I'm doing is I'm using my eyeballs, and I'm going to the candle body closes, and I'm seeing where we have more touches. So we have more touches here. We also have another area here. So I do like this one. These go through it, but these go right on it. And it's right here. Look at that. Boom. Perfect. So with this, I will do a fib retracement tool, going from the high to the low, so I can get my targets. And I want to make sure that this is on reverse. Reverse. Because normally when you're doing a retracement, you're going from low to high to see how far it'll retrace to. But since I'm going from high to low, it's the opposite. So I clicked on the reverse button, click OK. You can see the beautiful in this zone right here. Man, this just looks so nice. All right, so what I enter now, it depends. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Do I see any divergence? Not really. Let's go to a daily. That was the weekly. On the daily time frame, we have a low and a lower low. However, we have a low and a higher low. So we have a bullish divergence on the daily time frame, which is good. We have this up, down, a little bit of retrace. Okay, up, sideways, boring. I would love to see it come back down here. Do I think we're going to see 32 again? Probably not. Probably not. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, do we see anything? We have a low and a lower low. We have a low and a higher low. So we have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour as well. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, bearish divergence, high, higher high. High. Oh, nope. Higher high. We avoided that one. So no bearish divergence. Here, 15-minute time frame. Looks good. I just don't like that it's built up all this liquidity. You see how it runs up really nice, and then it pulls back to eat some of this liquidity? Then it comes up, pulls back a little bit, runs up, pulls back a little bit, runs up. There's all this liquidity. I think it's going to come down. I mean, I like it long term, but I think it's going to come down. So even though the market is very bullish right now, I mean, they could continue, and I mean the market makers could continue pushing this up until they're ready to bring it down. They may bring it down here or higher because it's gone so high. But I would not be surprised, even though we're very bullish right now. I must stress that, even though we're very bullish, if it breaks this level, I would not be surprised to see Price come down here, come up, come down, come up, come down. This is our deciding point. Well, about here. This is our deciding point for it to possibly come up. And then I would enter once it breaks. Let me draw it up. So there's a couple of levels that I'm looking at. Right here's perfect. Perfecto mundo. Oh, my drawings need to get better. Well, I'll leave that there. But so the candle almost stops here. We have candle bodies that stop. We have a wick that stops. We have a bunch of candle bodies and wicks that stop. We have candle bodies that stop here. We have candle bodies that stop here. This is a zone. And I see boxes all the time. So if we break down here, I would not be surprised if price action comes down to about 36.19. I would not be surprised. Now, if it goes up, well, then that's a different story. If it goes up, let's go to a higher time frame. What's the price range difference between this and this? Only 3%. Okay, so I would wait 9%. I would wait 9% to go long. I don't want to go long right now. Could you go long and get an extra 9%? Yes, definitely, of course. Baba says, Sui, good long-term hold prices? Yeah, on that one, we would have to put that one for tomorrow, unless you want to do a super chat. It's in the pin messages. At the very beginning of the show, I recommend putting a bunch of, well, not a bunch, list, you know, hopefully one coin, and that way it gives others a chance to put other coins as well. And because what I do is, since there's no coins, I just talk and I talk and I talk until there's coins. But if I have a lot of coins, not a lot, but if I have coins in the very beginning, well, I don't talk as much because I get to work. But on this one, I don't think we're gonna have time. Long term. Let's see here. Long-term hold prices. But if we don't get to it, then of course we'll look at it tomorrow. So just give you a heads up. All right, so looking at this, if I was going to do, let's go to a bigger time frame. So if I'm going to do a long, I'm actually going to wait for it to break 39.5. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to, you know, could I catch it now? I could, but it's just risky because it could come down before it goes up. But for here, I would actually set my alert. Set alert. And then let's do the coordinates. Copy. This. So this is where my alert would be. But for me right now, short term, I'm thinking it's going to come down. Could I be wrong? Sure, of course. But sometimes I'm right. So give me a tip. We'll look at this one hopefully at the end of the show, see if I'm right. I don't know. See, the next one is, let's see here. So let's go YouTube. I mean, yeah, so of course the first one is always fast. The others are pretty, the first one's always slow. The next are usually fast. All right, so looking at Solana, we're talking about over here, going up. We had this zone, came down. Let's go to, oh, this was a short that we were looking at. So stop loss, I think we probably got stopped out, and then our target. If we didn't get stopped out, our target's hit, but I think on that one we got stopped out. So looking at this, let's go to the 3-day chart. Kind of see what's going on. I love it. This one looks really nice. It came up, it's retracing, looks like it's starting to bounce. This one looks really, really good. Nice accumulation zone or nice box area. I don't think it'll come back down to this box. So this is the level that I do not think that it'll come back down to. I think if anything, it won't see anything lower than, let's say, I don't think it'll see anything lower than 187. Could I be wrong? Sure. But I do think I'm right. And it's just beautiful. And look at that, man. That's just nice. So now going to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we do have bullish divergence. We have a low, higher, low, lower low, low, higher low. So we do have bullish divergence possibly playing out, starting to come up. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Very nice. Wow. No bullish divergence, but this one is just starting to come up. Would I enter now? Very high risk, depending if you're using leverage. If you're not using leverage, well, let's see what the percentage is from the run up. It's only 12%. If you're doing leverage, that's a lot, because there's a really high possibility that it's going to come down. It's going to come down maybe a little bit higher, then come down to about here before coming up, breaking this level. We would do 25% here just because we have another level right up top. And the reason we're doing 25% is so that at least we're in it. Well, let me, hold on. Yeah, because by the time we enter again, it's 5%. So here will be 25%. Here we would need a alert. And this one I will set an alert. Thank you very much. I believe it was Petrus that did that one. Thank you very much for that one. That one, I believe, will make us some really nice money in the VIP group. So let's go ahead and put this one as a question mark. Now, of course, on this, the 4-hour candle must close above this level if and when our alert goes off. So the 4-hour candle must close above 245.45. Here, I really wouldn't enter. I would wait for the pivot to occur, whether it happens here or a little bit higher. Then, if you wanted to, you could go on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute. And look for, well, it'll come down, then it'll do something like this. Oh, that's just horrible. Try that again. So I'm going to actually change this color, but it'll do something like this. So let me change this color to yellow. Nope, to blue. Blue's better. And then it'll do this, and then this is when we enter. And this is on the 15-minute. So I wonder if I could do this. Select that, change it to blue. Hey, look at that. I just learned something. So this will be on the 15-minute, so you can get it further down here once it retraces. And then you're waiting for a break of a newly created high. Enter 15-minute. That way you get more gains. But right now I wouldn't enter. I would literally wait. Nice chart though. I like that one. I like that one a whole bunch. If you guys are loving what I'm doing, put a 2 in the chat. Put a 2 in the chat, please. If you love what I'm doing. All right, let's see. And I do this every day, guys, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then, of course, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And my goal is to make you money. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. Unlike these multi-millionaires that when they add a group to their, or when they add a new section to their group, they want to charge you $300. One-time fee, though. They're a multi-millionaire. How much money do you need, man? Seriously. For me, I have a group. I added a portion to the group that is going to make us insane gains, in my opinion. And we pretty much saw what could happen with Peanut. Where's Peanut? I don't even see Peanut in here anymore. Did Peanut come down? And I do want to look at Peanut too. I don't know where Peanut's at. I can't see it. Anyway, I'm sure y'all saw it right away. It's like, oh, it's right there, Joe. So that's that one. Let's go to TARS. So this one I do like. Let's go to TARS. So that is your thought process on that one. Now notice that whenever these coins are ready, I post a chart. I do a chart. When they're not ready, I tell you, I give you information on what needs to be done in order for us to enter the trade. TARS, MEXC, is it just TAR? Or is it TI or TA? TARS. Yeah, you gotta give me the ticker, man. It's not coming up. I don't know, and I'm not gonna look for it either. Sorry. Just to TART. I don't know what it is. So by default, we do SUI now. SUI, USDT. Let's see here. SUI, USDT, MEXC. Okay. Very good. Let's go to live chats. Okay. Go to live chats. All right. Very good. TAI or TARS. That's what it is. TA. I knew there was a T and an I and an A and a. But yeah, we will get. Hopefully, we can make it. I don't know if we will. Hopefully, we can. But yeah, I always recommend putting the ticker, and then if you want to do the ticker and the name, then great. But like if you put Cardano, it's just better to put ADA in case for whatever reason I forgot Cardano is ADA. You know what I mean? So we're looking at this one. Oh, we did this one already. Oh, you're talking about long-term hold. Okay, long-term hold prices. So let's go ahead and let's just hide everything. Hide everything. So let's do this. Let's do this and this. Let's go to a daily. Let's go to a weekly. Okay, so for this one, what would I do? Let's see here. It's gone up a whole bunch. I guess I can do a fib extension. So we'll do the fib extension, and I will do from this low to this high to this low. We'll get some really nice targets. Now, this one, the market cap, it's already huge. Man, it moved already. However, you know, this one can easily do a 3x, in my opinion, up to a 5x. Just because this is potentially supposed to be the Solana killer. It's up 19% for the day, according to CoinMarketCap. And let's see here. This one is 12.58 billion. Now you may think, man, Joe, that's a huge amount of market cap. Sure is. And for it to go a 3 to 5x, that's ridiculous. Well, I'm looking for the market cap for total 3, all of crypto. Some people are projecting like 5.6 trillion. I think I heard one person say 6 trillion. I'm saying between 6 and 7 trillion. 6.5 and 7 trillion. 6.5 to 7 trillion. That's what I'm saying. Do I think it happened? Sure. Could I be wrong? Yeah, why not? But I do think that we're going to get a lot of money coming in, a lot of new money coming in. So for the categories on this one, you know, it's got some stuff to layer 1, the SUI ecosystem, Move VM. So I do believe we're going to do some pretty nice gains. Targets. First one, we can put, these are longer term targets. You know, you're going to hold this for, let's say, so I'll give it, this is my, we'll call this one, we'll do the target. No, target. Okay. So this would be my 1 month hold. Okay. This, man, I don't have enough. It doesn't even matter because I mean, anywhere you go, it's going to do it. This would be, I don't even need this, to tell you the truth, because I can literally pick random spots, literally, and I'll still be accurate. This will be my 2 month hold. No, I don't expect this, and let me rephrase this. This would be my first target, which could be a month to 3 months. You know, who knows? This is because of the market cap. This is 70 something percent. Then this one is 200 something percent. This would be my, let's say 6 to 8 months hold. And then this would be my top of the bull market hold, which more than likely will be November. And everybody's going to start saying, oh, sell, sell, sell. So let me, man, I wish I had a pen so I could just write this. So this is my 1 to 3 month hold. This is my 6 to 8 month hold. This is my bull market. Oh my gosh, that's so ugly. This is my bull market. Oh my gosh, what am I even doing? Bull market. Market. Bingo bango. That's what I think. Let's see here. Jay says TAI or TARS. Not sure if that's suggestions. Dylan says, my apologies, TAI. TAI. Hey, look at that, man. We got time. On Mexi. Okay. See here. So we did ETH, we did SOL, we did SUI, long-term hold, 1 to 3 months, 3 to 6, 8 months, 6 to 8 months, and then the bull market. Let's see here. Going on the list. Let's see here. Going on the list. Play the greats. Not sure if we'll have time for that one, but we will try our best. Let's see here. Sell frame. Darren says Turbo had its coin listing 45 minutes ago, but no extra movement so far. I think we're already in Turbo. But I'm curious on Turbo. 1 second, guys. Turbo USDT. Go to the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, so we're having sell off, which is fine. There was one that I posted in my group, and I was saying that, oh, peanuts. So yeah, so this one's coming down. Let's do 1 hour. 15 minute. Nice. You know, this is, I would like to have seen it come down a little bit more, but it, you know, down, up, down, nice, nice, nice. I think it's gonna go up. Because we had nice little retracements. Now, granted, we're leaving a bunch of liquidity behind, but there's more the market makers can create above, in my opinion. Daily. I like it. I'm trying to look for reasons why not to like it. So whenever you're doing this, you have to have both thoughts. I'm just looking at price action. Oh, we have bearish divergence on the 30-minute high, lower high, high, higher high. But the bearish divergence may have already just played out, and then it goes up. All right, so if I was looking at this coin, I would have to do the 30-minute time frame. It would need to break above this very, very tiny zone, and the 30-minute must close above this level. I would set an alert right up here. This will be my alert. And then I'll actually set the alert as well. I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to go ahead and set the alerts. Question mark. Okay, and then I'm going to do this so we can actually see it nice and big. And then I just wait, see what happens. Now, so one or two things could happen. One, it could come down, come up, get rejected, come down, come up. And then do this number. I don't think it'll do this. Or it can do this. Well, not even start from there. But let me change this color. It's bothering me. Get out of here, kid. You're bothering me. Or it could do this. And then you want to have on the 30 minutes. Let's just do it like this. 30-minute candle close above 0.013937. 30-minute candle. So plan A, plan B. I think, wait. Because of the bearish divergence, I mean, this might have played out. I do like how this is looking. I'm really torn. I don't know. I mean, nobody knows. But I can't lead, because I want to say coming down, but because it just got listed on Coinbase, it may find the traction of the newcomers, and it may come up. I think we're already in this trade. I think we entered this trade already. For the VIP members. I'm going to check right now. Turbo. And I don't post a lot of charts, guys. I don't. I post 1 to 3 charts a day, sometimes none, depending on the market. And oh yeah, we're in the trade already. Yeah, we entered this trade. Let me see. Wow, we've been in this trade for 9 days. Turbo, right? Yeah. So on here, it is on the 2nd. So what I do is I reply. Oh yeah, I reply to each post because I do a lot of updates. And this one, I posted on the 2nd, then on Monday I updated it, then yesterday I updated it, and then yesterday evening I updated it again. But whenever they need updating, I update. But so here, this is Turbo. It says regular spot trade 2x with tight stop loss. We want a tight stop loss. Some memes are moving. Goat and Turbo look like it wants to both bounce. So not only am I giving this one, but hey, the heads up on this one. Then enter now. This is how I actually do a setup. Enter now and add on the 4-hour candle close if it closes above this. So I'm giving you very detailed information in the VIP group. There's no buy the breakout, buy the retest, you know, what time frame. Like I'm giving you enter now. If you're on the daily, 1 minute, doesn't matter, enter now. Then add on the 4-hour candle close. Doesn't matter if you're on the 3 minute, the 2 hour, the 4 hour, you're gonna have to wait for the 4-hour candle to close. There's no way you can mess this up. There's none. This keeps me accountable. This keeps me accountable for my chart setups. This tells me that, you know, the ones I'm posting, they're winning or they're losing. There is no grayscale here. There is no, you know, oh, well, I said buy the breakout and yeah, it broke out, but it came back in and then it broke out again. That's what I was talking about. There's none of that talk. I am very determined to give you the absolute best setups I can, with zero room for error. Stop loss, target, and then of course I gave different time frames: the 12-minute, the 12-hour, the 4-hour, the 1 hour, and then probably the 15-minute. Just zooming in so you can see all of the stuff. And then sometimes 15-minute will have divergence, and I'll put it in the description. 15-minute divergence. Sometimes I'll show it on the chart, but and I'll tell you what it is. But this is what we do, guys. This is what we do. So join today. Join today. So Turbo, I like it. Kind of torn on it though. I'd wait for this 30-minute candle must close above this level for us to go up. That's right there. All right, moving on. Man, these charts have been keeping me up. Not only that, but all the extra work I'm doing for the group. Oh my gosh, crazy. Let's see here. So we did we do Tia? I don't even know. So we did ETH, Sol. Oh yeah, we did Tia. No, we didn't. I don't even know. And help me out, guys. Did we do Tia? TAI? I went and looked at Turbo. We looked at Sui, right? Man, I'm lost right now. So let me know, guys. Cell Frame Network on XC. So I don't know if we've done TAI, and we did Sui. That's right, long-term hold. Okay. Ooh, this one looks good. On the daily, be like, oh no, I would not trade that. That's how it looks on the daily. But zoom in. Zoom in. Zoom in. Fib levels. Stopped right there, stopped right there, or stopping right there. I love these fib levels. 4-hour time frame. Went up, came down. Beautiful retrace. Went up, it's coming down. 1 hour time frame. Oh yeah. See, let's go to the daily. Daily, no divergence. 4 hour, no divergence. 1 hour, a divergence. We have a high and a lower high. We have a high and a higher high. The divergence, bearish divergence is playing out. Did it play out completely? Only time will tell. See here, we have a low, a lower low. We have a low, higher low, a bullish divergence. Bullish divergence. Not yet, Joe. TAI or T. Okay, so I need to do this one. So I'm going to do TAI. And I think TAI is TARS. So here, this is a bullish divergence. Let's see here. Hey, what's going on, Dex? Dex says, Suku, unfortunately, we only have 1 hour for the show. If you want this done, I know it's probably your first time here, and it's very rude of me saying this, but if you do want it priority from the other coins that are ahead of you, then of course, Super Chat, it is in the link. It's in the pin message. If not, not to worry. I will try my best to get it before the show ends. Crap. Where are we at the end of the show? If you want Super Chat, if not, that's fine. We can do it tomorrow. I didn't realize how late we were. Man, I gotta stop talking. So 15-minute time frame. Ah, man, I wish there was more structure. Okay. So for this one, man, I thought we had a lot of time too. 10%. It's kind of a higher risk play. I don't know the market cap. I'm pretty sure it's low, but here would be my stop loss. We broke this level. It's coming up. So more than likely, this is what might happen, where it comes down and then comes up. You know what? Let's wait. Let's wait for it to break this level. Because, so what I would do is I would set an alert right here. So set alert. Copy. I'll set an alert right there. And then once the alert goes off, I would need the... Shoot, man. We'll do a 15-minute candle, just because I don't know what the market cap is on this. 15-minute candle needs to close above this white line right here. So 15-minute candle. Okay. So the next one is TAI, USDT. This is TARS on XC. This one looks pretty good. I would actually set an alert right here. And then the I'm guessing the 4-hour candle, but let me just double check. So set alert, copy this. And now what I do for anybody who is watching who's new, I give you exact setups. I don't say buy this zone or buy this. I give you exact setups. Unlike anybody else that I've ever seen with stop losses and everything else. So just to let you know. And I show you all this for free. So what I would do on this one, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Nope. 4 hour. Nope. It had to be on a low time frame. 15-minute. Yeah, I would just do it. Just 15-minute time frame. Candle needs to close above this white line, and this is a 15-minute time frame. Of course, have your alert here to alert you, and then, or you can just, if you're watching it, you can see that. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. I do thank you very much. I appreciate everybody who is new, who's watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comments, watch the videos. I show you how to make money without asking you for money. How's that? I show, Joe, you just asked for a super chat. Well, that's because we're already at the end of the show. Or if you want it prioritized, then you get to prioritize. But I show you how to trade without saying you need to join my trading group in order for me to show you how to trade. I don't just give chart setups. I walk you through the thought process of actually entering the trade. If that interests you, sign up for the subscribe to the channel, put that notification bell on. I go live every single day, Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Right now it's 1. And then on Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, guys, I'm here for you. I'm here to make you money. And we're just going to kill it, guys. We're going to kill it with the thought process of knowing how to trade and not FOMOing. We're going to dominate this market. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where I do truly care about you and your finances. I really do. I will never nickel and dime you in my group. Unlike these multi-millionaires who just added a new section to their group, and they're charging $300 one-time fee of $300. He's a multi-millionaire. He even said it on that show, multi-millionaire. And it's funny because he says, you know, he's a self-made multi-millionaire. And then a few minutes later, or before, I forget which order it was, he says that there's a new section to the group. It's $300 one-time fee, but he's self-made millionaire. How's he making his money? Maybe because he's charging a whole bunch, and then every group he adds is adding more money to it, so he can make more millions. That's pretty funny. In my group, yes, I do have a paid group. In my group, we're adding groups to it, and one of them is going to be it's already absolute, just dominating. I think it's going to be the best part of the group. Included for free. Anything I add to the group, it's free. I don't nickel and dime you. That's all I got. I do thank you guys so much. We'll see you on the next video. Take care. Ooh, we got B&B alert. B&B, you might want to check that one, guys. I'm out. See ya. And let's make this money. Take care. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. Now, see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money. Yeah, this is so true. Not self-made. He got money off of scamming. Yeah, he gets money off of scamming people. He gets money off of scamming new people in the market. He capitalized on them being naive. So my goal, my objective is to save as many people as possible so that they don't get wrecked. I can only do it with your help, guys. I really can. Every time I go live, share this stuff on Twitter. Like and comment on all my videos. By doing that, it helps the algorithm. It really does. The only people I really have on commenting are the scamming bots. So I need help, guys. I really do. My goal is, my mom raised me right. I say that all the time. My mom raised me right. Morals, ethics, integrity. And I would not step on your back so I can get higher. I would lay down so you can step on my back so you can go higher. And that's what I'm doing every single day. I have a very, very busy schedule. I have a great team. But the workload that I do is intense and insane. 12, 14, sometimes even 18 hours a day to make my group money. And I added a recent group and no extra charge. No extra charge. Could I charge for it? Yes, of course. Man, this group is just absolutely killer. This new one that we just did. But no extra charge. Because I'm not here to get rich off of you. I'm here to make money with you. And with that said, I do thank you guys. We'll see you on the next show. Take care.